video we're going to create, or rather install, CSS and JavaScript that we need. So without wasting much time, we are going to go to the browser, then open a new tab, type Bootstrap, then from getbootstrap.com, there you're going to scroll down and then copy this CSS, Bootstrap 5 CSS only, come back to our Visual Studio, go to App, the Blade. In here, I added these recently, but I'm just going to delete them so we can be on the same page. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to try to delete this. I'll delete this. I'm going to paste this. So we now have Bootstrap 5 imported. So now I'm going to go back to our browser and then go to our icons, Bootstrap icons. Then here, click on install so it can take us down. When it comes down, I'm going to copy the CDN of the link. So copy, go back to Visual Studio, and then paste the code down below, just below Bootstrap 5. So I'm going to go back to the browser. Next thing I'm going to install is now jQuery. So open a new tab and then type jQuery CDN. In here, just click on this link and then click on minified and copy it, go to our browser and then just paste the code just above this. Alright, next we're going to install our Sass breakpoints. Now the Sass breakpoints is going to help us manage our media queries. So just go to the browser right now in the browser and then just type include media. Eduardo Bogas. Interesting name. So just click on downloads, go down, download the file manually, yes. And then here you're gonna select all of this, copy, go back to Visual Studio, and in there in our Sass folder we're gonna create a new file called breakpoints.scss. There. In the breakpoints, I'm just gonna paste this whole code from the internet. So what this does basically helps us, manage our breakpoints, our from tablet, phone, desktop, and I'll explain this more when we actually start using it. Right, so close this. Next thing, I'm gonna go in our app. While in the app, here it's gonna be body, font family is going to be Apple system, the semicolon, and then last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our browser. Here we're gonna type Google fonts. We're gonna get a thin font that we're gonna use. It's so thin, I like using it in some of the text. So here just type Roboto, click this one, select this style, and then come here and then copy this whole link. Copy, go back to Visual Studio, and then under the fonts here below this link, just paste the code. And we are done. We have added all that we need for our CSS and JavaScript. Now in the next video, we're going to start designing the chat component. So see you